Hi, I'm Raz, and today we'll be looking at integration by parts. So in front of you, you have the formula for integration by parts, which is essentially the product rule for integration, and it will be in the formula book provided to you. Yep, so let's use it. But before we use it, sorry, there's a priority order for you, which is ln xe. So if we look at the formula, hopefully you can notice that if we split the product into a u and a v dash, that means we have one variable that we need to differentiate and another that we need to integrate. So the priority order for you is for the variable that we will differentiate. So whenever you have a product involving ln, you always put ln to be your u. Failing that, if there is not a ln in the question, then it will be x, and e will be third in the list. So let's apply that to this first question, where we have the integral of x e to the 3x. So let me pick a nice color that you can see. So if I follow priority order, x will be my u and e to the 3x will be my u v dash. So if u is x, the derivative will be 1. If v dash is e to the 3x, the integral will be a third e to the 3x. Now I can just use the formula. So the integral of x e to the 3x will be equal to uv, which is x times a third e to the 3x, minus the integral of vu dash, which is 1 times a third e to the 3x. So you can see our question has got easier. Yeah, there is now an endpoint. So if I simplify, we have x over 3 e to 3x minus a third times a third e to 3x plus c. And so the answer will be x over 3 e to the 3x minus a ninth e to the 3x plus c. Yeah, if we'd picked u and v the wrong way around, we would have just kept looping and the integral would have gone on forever. Give it a go if you want. I won't do that in this video, but by all means test what we're seeing. So second example, we have x cos 3x. So again, we can see u will be x, and therefore u dash will be 1, which means v will be cos 3x. So v dash will be cos 3x. If we remember that cos differentiates to minus sine, sine differentiates to cos, therefore there is no sign change when we integrate cos. We will have v equals a third sine 3x. Now from the equation above, we can see the integral will equal uv, so x cos 3x minus the integral of vu dash, which will be a third sine 3x times 1. So I'm going to take the third out. Sine 3x dx. So the answer will be x cos 3x minus a third of the integral of sine 3x. So like I said earlier, cos differentiates the minus sine. So when we integrate sine, there will be a sign change and it'll become minus a third cos 3x plus c. So you need to be careful there because we can see we have two negatives that make a positive. So that'll be plus x cos 3x plus 1/9 cos 3x plus c, which will factorize if you want it to. And let's have a look at one more example. So I'll give you a minute to ponder that, pause the video. Hello again. So the priority order was ln x and then e. So there is no easy way to integrate ln. We avoid it at all costs. So that will be, u will be ln. And we will treat the 6 as a variable. So that will be our v dashed. So v dash will be 6, therefore v will be 6x. Ln x differentiates to 1/x. So the integral will be, if I put that in the corner again, so the integral will be u of e, which will be 6 ln x, minus the integral of vu dash, which is 6x times 1/x. So suddenly it becomes quite straightforward. So we get 6 ln x minus 6x plus c. So it's that trick that we would use if we were integrating ln x. We would just simply treat it as 1 times ln x and do the same. So the answer for the integral of ln x would just be a sixth of our answer here. So ln x minus x plus c. I hope you enjoyed the video and join me in the second video where we'll be looking at integration by parts twice.